Welcome to my channel. Connect Amazon Echo to another Wi-Fi router. 1. Prepare your Echo device. Ensure your Echo device is powered on and ready. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Access settings. In the Alexa app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. 3. Select your device. Choose Devices from the menu. Select your Echo device from the list. 4. Change Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and tap on Change next to the current Wi-Fi network name. 5. Follow instructions. Alexa will guide you through the process. You may need to enter the password for your new Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Echo device is in setup mode, typically indicated by an orange light ring. 6. Confirmation. Once connected, Alexa will confirm that your Echo is now connected to the new Wi-Fi network. 7. Testing. Test the connection by asking Alexa a question or giving a command to your Echo device. 8. Additional considerations. Restarting your Echo device and Wi-Fi router can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Thank you for watching.